Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the regularly used Git commands for every software developer while developing their projects. Nowadays, irrespective of technologies, every software developer or other software testing engineers also, they must aware of Git commands to develop their projects. So you may have doubt what is Git and what is GitHub. So Git is nothing but a distributed version control. Again, you may have doubt what is version control. Version controls helps the developers to track and manage changes to a software project. So whenever the software project grows, then version control becomes very essential part while developing their projects. Then what is GitHub? GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration, and lets you and others work together on the project from anywhere by using GitHub. I have already uploaded a video related to Git and GitHub in our previous videos. Okay, so what is GitHub and what is Git, and where we are using in the real time Git and GitHub. So if you didn't watch it, please watch that video also. Then you will get a clear idea what is Git and GitHub and where we are using in real time. Okay, so in this session, I am going to discuss about the frequently used Git commands for every software developer while developing their projects. So without wasting our time, so let's see what are the frequently used Git commands for every software developer in IT company.
Yes, so these are the commands mostly we use while developing anything in the IT company. According to the Stack Overflow, 85% of the software developers using Git. Okay, so that is therefore it is very much popular in IT companies while developing IT projects. Let us see the first Git command is. So this is the first command, how to create a local Git repository. Okay, so the command is you have to write like this: Git space init, init. That means installation. Okay, so this is the command to create a local Git repository. Okay, so without this command, you cannot create a local Git repository. Okay, the second one is how to create a local copy of remote repository. Sometimes you may face this entry question also. Okay, please remember how to write the git command. Okay, to create a local copy of a remote repository. So you have to write command like this: git space clone, and this is the URL, website URL, /git@github.com, and here is the username and /repository name .git. Okay, so this is the command to create a local copy of remote repository. The next one is how to add files to the staging area. Okay, so after creating the local Git repository, then you have to add the files to the staging area. So by using this command, we can add the files to the staging area. The command is like git space add space, and you have to add here your files, file name dot text. So whatever the files you need to add in the staging area, you have to specify here. Okay, so next command is add all new and changed files to the staging area. This is one more command that related to this command. So here we have to add all new and changed files. So then which command we are using? So here is the command you have to write like this: git space add -a. So if you write like this, then you can add all new and changed files to the staging area. So after adding So after adding all the files into the staging area, then how to commit the changes? So you have to write comment. Then you have to write a command like this: git commit -m. So here is the message you have to write, commit message. Okay, git commit space -m. Okay. Suppose if you want to remove the file from the staging area or folder, then how can you write the git command? So here is the git command: git space rm space -r. So what are the file you want to remove? You can specify that file name here. Okay, git space rm space -r to remove file from staging area. Then how to create a new branch? To create new branch, we have to use the command git space branch name. Then how to delete the branch? Git space branch -d, and you have to specify branch name here. Okay. Next, how to merge a branch into the active branch? Okay, already there is a active branch is there, and you want to merge one more branch. Then how can you do that? You have to write the command like this: git merge and branch name. Whatever the you want to merge a branch, you have to specify that branch here, branch name. Okay. The next one: how to merge a branch into target branch, not active branch. Instead of active branch, one more command here: you have to merge a branch into target branch. Then which command is useful? Git space merge space source branch and target branch. You have to specify here source branch name and target branch name. Here you have to specify to merge a branch into target branch. The next command is how to push a branch to your remote repository. Suppose if you want to push a branch into remote repository, then which command you use? Very, very important, this one. You have to use git space push space origin, and you have to specify branch name. So whatever the branch you want to push into remote repository, you have to specify that name here. Okay. The next command is how to push changes to a remote repository. Suppose if you want to push the changes to a remote repository, then which command? So we have to use git push. That's it. The next one, how to pull changes from remote repository. Suppose if you want to pull the changes from remote repository, then which command? So here is the command: git space pull origin branch name. Okay, you can pull all the changes from a remote repository. This is also a very regularly used command every software developer. Okay. The next one, how to add a remote repository. So to add a remote repository, you have to write the git command like this: git remote add origin. So here is the link you have to specify. Okay, ssh:/git@github.com, and you have to specify username and repository name .git to add a remote repository.
So according to the Stack Overflow, 85% of the software developers are using Git only in the IT companies. So that's all, guys. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries, and we'll see in the next video. Thank you very much.